We focus on modernizing industries by using data and advancing Industry 4.0. We develop AI-driven software that learns from data and improves decision-making over time. Manufacturers often hesitate to fully adopt cloud solutions for key operations due to concerns about data security and processing speed. For quality control, companies like Isuzu may prefer to keep data on site to ensure its safety and to avoid delays that could impact product quality. To address these concerns, we developed a hybrid solution. We use the cloud for monitoring and tracking the AI and the server performance at Isuzu, enhancing efficiency. However, critical tasks like running machine learning algorithms and storing raw data are handled purely on a secure and on-site server. This approach gives Isuzu the benefits of cloud technology while maintaining full control over sensitive data and ensuring fast and reliable operations on-site. Our software, though tested in just the automotive industry, is adaptable to other sectors needing a blend of local data processing and cloud advantages. Mind4Machines is a targeted funding program designed for clear, specific projects that usually operate at higher technology readiness levels and aim to solve problems in manufacturing.
And I'm working in this company called PlusClouds BV, which is a cloud computing service company. What we are doing here is that we are helping companies to reduce their IT expenses, automate their environment operations, and then increase their sales. In this QUAL40 project, we handle the IT infrastructure that supports the industrial IoT platform. We provide cloud services and services to BBRD, which we have a long-lasting relationship together to help them monitor the decision support system at Isuzu from the cloud itself and also on-premise. Our cloud infrastructure tracks and visualizes important information generated by machine learning algorithms and other on-site services, as well as the health of the local server. This allows us to offer the end user a clear and summarized view of the industrial data. If you have a project idea that fits with the scope of the Mind4Machines project, which focuses on Industry 4.0, Mind4Machines is an excellent way to execute it quickly within the European support.
Anadolu Isuzu was established in 1965. In 1983, it became the first Turkish and Japanese partnership in automotive industry. Truck product began in 1984 and minibus production started in 1987. Since then, the company has been producing different models, including diesel, electric, and CNG vehicles. We are facing many challenges with digitalization. One of these challenges which we are addressing with BBRD involves analyzing auto signals from engines. Traditionally, this task required human experts to listen to the sounds and identify issues. However, with our new application, we use a machine learning model that analyzes these audio signals. In this project, we looked at a few scenarios to predict important technical variables we care about, and it seems we did this successfully. In the future, we want to automatically link this predictive analysis solution to our systems, including our ERP. Like any new technology, we will need to go through an internal approvals processes to make this happen.